I reached. This is Wednesday of week 24. Question 1. The place value of the 0 in 84,170 is 0 units. Just a 0. You can write down 0 units if you want. Minus 6 minus 8. Minus 6 plus minus 8 is minus 14. 1.3 multiplied by 0 0.4, 0 0.52. 96 divided by 6, is the same as 96 divided by 6, is the same as 96 over 6, is the same as 60 over 6 plus 36 over 6. Is the same as 10. Okay, so you're saying 60 over 6 plus 36 over 6. What's 36 over 6? That's 6 anyway. Okay, I didn't really look at that too clearly before I started. I see what they're doing, but it's not particularly clear. So anyway, look, what you're doing is you're 96 over 6 here. What I've done here is broken it up into 60 and 36, because 60 plus 36 is 96. So this is actually okay. And the reason they've put 60 over 6 is 60 over 6 is 10. 60 divided by 6 is 10. So you got 10 plus whatever the heck this is, 36 over 6 is 6, because 36 divided by 6 is 6. So your answer in total is 16. And if you figure that out, fair play check. Question number 5. 4 fifths is 0.8. 6. 200 divided by 4 divided by 10 is what? So you start off 200 divided by 4 is 50. 1/4 of 200 is 50. Divide that by 10, your answer is 5. Half 1/3 is 1/6. Double the number in the bottom. Halves the number. Halves the fraction. What 3D shape? I'm going to turn this. I don't know if that's any better. Number 8. What 3D shape can be made by stacking circles? A cylinder. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Make a circle. Double 13.5 is 27. Cuboid has how many faces, how many edges, how many vertices? Just like a cube, it has 6 faces. Just like a cube, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices. Question number 11. The minute hand will rotate how many degrees from 11 to 3? Do you remember these? We know in the whole circle there's 360 degrees. We know that the clock is a circle that's broken up in 12 chunks. So 360 divided by 12 is 30. So each jump is 30 degrees. That's 4 jumps of 30 degrees. So it's 120 degrees. Number 12. 8.495 take away 2.342 is 6.153. Right, question 13. On the first grab, what's the chance of selecting €1 coin from a wallet consisting of €3 in €1 coins and €3 in 50-cent coins? Okay, first of all, let's figure out how many coins there are. If there's €3 in €1 coin, that's 3 coins. But there's also €3 and 50 cents. That takes 6 50 cents to make up €3. So in total, there's 3 plus 6, that's 9 coins. Of those 9 coins, 3 of them are €1. So it's 3 and 9. But we're not going to leave it at 3 and 9. We're going to simplify that because you can divide 9 and 3 by 3. So your answer is 1 and 3. That's your best answer. 3 and 9 isn't wrong. Simplify it if you can. 1 and 3 is your answer. Number 14. Half take away 1/4 is 1/4. Simplify the ratio 8 to 56. So how many 8s are there in 56? 8 multiplied by 7 is 56. So it's 1 is to 7. Is 33 a prime number? No, it's not. Because you can divide it by 3 and 11. So no is your answer. 17. Why? Why is your angle here? The whole thing together is 180. This bit is 45. So this is 180 minus 45. So y is 135. Question number 8, 900 milliliters equals 9/10 of a liter, 0.9 liters. 2 to the power of 4 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, multiplied by 2 is 8, multiplied by 2 is 16. 50% as a fraction. You could write 50 over 100, but sure, you wouldn't do that. It's a half. As a decimal, 0.5. And as a bit of a circle, it's half a circle. And you would shade it in. Doesn't matter if it's that way, or that way, or that way, as long as half the circle is shaded in. Problem solving. 32,000 equals 25 multiplied by something multiplied by 8 multiplied by 4. Okay, 8 multiplied by 4 is 32, so that's going to give us our 32 here. So really, the rest of this has to be 1,000. 25 multiplied by something equals 1,000, because 32,000. Yeah, okay. So 25 multiplied by what gives you 1,000? Well, 25 multiplied by 4 gives you 100. So 25 multiplied by 40 will give you 1,000. So your answer there for the first one is 40. Can you see it? I have to use a pen. Question 2 then, it's the same kind of thing, except look, some of the numbers are the same. 32,000, 32,000. You got 25, yeah. You got 8, yeah. But instead of 4 here, you've got 2. So that's half the size of that. So the number here has to be twice the size of that number. And the number that's twice the size of 40 is 80. Your answer there is 80.